Looks like he's pulling back.
Come on, Eric, you can do it.
Over here in a minute.
Do I need to back out of the way?
No.
We're good.
He's got to have a clear shot of that cooler.
Is that a